And so then my kiddo got very excited for unopening this new Ninja air fryer. So let's see what's got inside. Oh wow, how do you like it unopening the new air fryer?
It's good.
It's good? Okay, let's see if it's good or not when we have the full machine outside the box. So my kiddo says that he can do it without the adult supervision, but that's only with the unboxing and not with operating the air fryer. It's not kids friendly unless they have been guided through because of the hyper temperature that it has at 400 Fahrenheit. Oh wow! So this is finally the air fryer from Ninja that we just unopened from the new box that we bought from Walmart. And the highest temperature that it can attain is, I think, 400 Fahrenheit. And I will show you how I know that that's the highest temperature on it when I just plug in the machine. तो कॉर्ड प्लग इन कर दिया है मैंने और यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं that there is this button which is in flashing blue and you just have to hit this start button and now you would know about the temperatures. So let's see what is the lowest temperature here. So the lowest temperature that we can attain with this Ninja air fryer is 300 Fahrenheit, while the highest temperature is 400 Fahrenheit. That's wonderful. So here we can see that it comes with various options: air fry, reheat, roast and dehydrate. And ये सारे functions आप अपने हिसाब से customize कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि temperature, the time, how much time you need to cook it. So machine doesn't. So this is the tiny basket that I was talking about. It is completely non-stick and it is preferably said that you use it with these kind of liners which are non-bleached air fry liners. You just need to put it inside like this so that you don't make your machine untidy and it will be easy to clean afterwards. So यहाँ पर आपको ये properly stick करना होता है, just like a little covering on your basket. एंड इसके ऊपर आप अपना प्रोडक्ट जो भी आपको बनाना है, जो भी आपकी चीज़ें हैं वो आप प्लेस कर देते हैं. एंड दिस इज़ हीट प्रूफ ऑल्सो. सो अगर आप इसको ऐसे अंदर इंसर्ट कर देते हैं एंड देन लेट्स से हमने टेम्परेचर सेट किया फॉर फ्राइज, सो इट शोज 390 बिकॉज इट्स नॉट फॉर फ्राइज, इट्स द हाइएस्ट टेम्परेचर. या दिस इज द हाइएस्ट टेम्परेचर 400. एंड इसके बाद हम इसको नीचे लेके जाते हैं ताकि हम स्टार्टिंग में देख सकें. सो लोएस्ट इज 300. As it's flashing, you just need to hit the start button and see the machine will start. But try not to use this machine only with the paper because paper के ऊपर कोई weight नहीं होगा तो ये ऊपर आएगा and then chances हैं कि ये आपके fan के अंदर चला जाए and then overheating की वजह से ये burn भी हो सकता है. So don't try that. And right now we can just remove it. So it comes with this nice tiny manual with it, and it also gives you, see, it says owner's guide, and this model is AF Air Fryer 100 series, and it gives you some warnings which I always do when opening an electrical appliance, to go through the warning and what are the accessory parts that it comes with, and just a little know-how of the machine and what to do before use, what are the precautions you should take while cleaning the machine, maintaining it to ensure that it has a nice long lifespan without giving you trouble. So see, it has all the instructions and it is very user friendly, as I am planning to make the next product tomorrow. And let's see how the air fries, the potato fries comes with it, and if the taste remains the same or it's much better than our conventional oil deep frying. So stay tuned with us for the recipes starting with the air fryer. So we'll start with the series of air fryer cooking next week. Stay tuned.